Welcome to our channel. Welcome to this place where everybody is somebody. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock, and if you have been with me all this while, thank you for staying with me. This morning I want to bring our attention to something because there's something we are neglecting, and we look down on it thinking that it can help us, but this thing has its spiritual importance. Yes, if you are broke, if the heaven over you is closed, you know, you are experiencing retrogression in your life, that is, your business is going down. In your working place, you collect salary, you don't know what you're doing with it. Money hardly enters your hand. Whenever you make money, until you finish spending it before another money will come in. So please, you have to watch this video to the end so that you can learn one or two things, you know, so that we can bring an end to the activity of poverty in our lives. Yes, see, people experience this kind of financial dryness. Why? Because they lack the secret, the knowledge of the secret of spirituality, or how do I put it? So there are simple things that you carry out. When you do these things, money will not be hard for you. But when you neglect them, you think by strength you will prevail. Even the Bible said it, that by strength shall no man prevail. And I've said it before on this channel that if people will prevail, if one can make money by strength, all these bouncers, you know, that are guarding people, all these weightlifters, all these, not even weightlifters, we have international midweight, whatever that lift weight, they're champions. No, I'm talking about all these agberus, all these people that carry load, all the load, they load and offload goods from trailers. If you go to factories, you see them. You see these guys with, you know, they are looking healthy. They are looking, in fact, they have muscles in the right places. They can lift 7 men at the same time, but they don't have shishi, they don't have money. A bouncer will be following a small boy, will be guiding the person. You see their muzzle, you see their shoulder like this, but they earn maybe 25,000 naira or 50,000 naira a month, or even less than that. By strength shall no man prevail. For you to prevail in life, you must know, you must have the secret, the knowledge of spirituality. When you know this, you don't need to over hustle, you don't need to over struggle. Yes, it's good to hustle, it's good to struggle, yes, but your hustle will pay, yes, and your struggling will pay. But when you lack the knowledge, or you ignore it, some of the things that will come here to talk about on this channel, when you, after watching the video, you will drop the phone, and that is it. Some of you, after watching this video, you still call me and be asking me questions on that, or you still be telling me the problem that you have, when the video, what we have discussed, can address that problem. Guys, see, you have to take the bull by the horn, the bull of life. If you are looking for finances, look for information that will help you to break through spiritually. If you break through spiritually, you will break through in the physical. But if you don't break through spiritually, no matter where they place you, if somebody like, let them give you 100 million today, this month, By next month, they will look for that 100 million naira in your hand. You will not be able to explain it. Why? Because your spirituality is sick. Yes. When you don't have it in the spirit, you can never have it in the physical. And there are ways that you can position yourself. You can open yourself up so that you can have it. You understand? You do that from the spirit, then it will come and manifest in the physical. Yes. Please, I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Simple solution. Make it love. Make it love. Make it love. Solution. Make it love.
Simple solution.
You're welcome back. You see, like as I was saying, if you don't have anything in the spirit, you can't have it in the physical. But once you have that thing in the spirit, in life, it's just a walkover. You will definitely get there. Anything that will stand your way, God will take care of it. That will prevent you from getting what you are supposed to have. God will take care of it. God can take care of situations and circumstances around us in different ways. So now, this hour, I want to, discuss with us again how we can open our hands, open our life, open our financial bank to attract spiritual breakthrough, so that we can begin to have opportunity. Even if you have your shop, you are running a business, whether online business or physical business, this is very important. We should not overlook this. I am talking about washing our hands with coconut water. Yes. How do you wash your hands with coconut water? Just get a coconut that has water inside. Yes. We all know what coconut is. Coconut. Yes. Get coconut. Open it, just one face. Pray over it. As you're pouring it on your hand and you're washing your hands with it, be asking God that God should open door of blessing unto you. Let your body magnet money. Let money let your money be attracted to you. In everything that you do, let your way open. Nobody knows how water entered into the coconut. Therefore, let nobody know the secret or the source of your finances. If they don't know the source of your finances, they cannot block it. Yes. So, and once you hand these things over to God and you surrender it to God, God will take over. Because it is written that whatever is committed into the hands of God cannot be destroyed. Yes. Whatever that is committed in the hands of God cannot be destroyed. If you commit your life into the hands of God, don't take it back. Leave it there. But at times when we commit our lives into the hands of God, we go and take it back because we don't have faith. We will say, this one now that my enemies they are coming, they are attacking me. That. You pray, then you will not think that God is not hearing you or God did not answer you, and then you will lose faith. And once you lose faith, that prayer will be dropped. God is not biased. God is not biased. The way we think, the way we judge people, God doesn't judge people like that. At times you may be a righteous person, but because you despised and judged your fellow brother, you see that God will condemn you. Yes, this thing was in the Bible. It was demonstrated when Jesus said 2 men came to the synagogue to come and pray. As they were praying, the other man was standing here and this one was standing here. He now said, Oh God, you see me, I am a very righteous and virtuous man. When I take something from somebody, I pay the person, I even put profit on top. I don't owe anybody. I pay my debt. I pay my tax. I am a very good man. I am loved in the society. Everybody likes me because I behave well. I don't have problem with anybody. I mind my business. I am a very, very good man. I am not like the other man standing there. He is a sinner. But me, I'm a righteous man because I obey everything. I pay my tithes, I pay my offering, I take care of the pastor, I do offering, I sow seed, I do this, he was praising himself before God. And what happened? The other man standing there, he said, oh God, have mercy on me. I am a sinner. Please, have mercy. Have mercy on me. When both of them left the synagogue, the presence of God, the other man, who is a sinner, went out more justified than this self-righteous man. At the end of the day, he lost out. But this one left the presence of God with plenty blessings. You see? So let us not do self-justification, but let us commit everything into the hands of God. And when you pray, believe that God will answer, and he will definitely and surely answer you. Yes, God is still in the business of answering prayers. I've said it before and I'm saying it again. So when you use coconut water, if things are hard for you, your business is down, your family, no money, no school fees, no food in the house, you're working, you're earning salary, yes, but yet you don't know what you are doing with your salary, start washing your hands with coconut water, and all these things will change. People are reaching out to me with testimonies of the one we did before, and because people are joining us new on this channel, so I felt that we should talk about this again to bring our mind, because a lot of people are calling me on phone. What we have discussed before on this channel, they are asking me. So it's like somebody, you are being served, your food is on the dining table, then you go to the kitchen door and you're saying, give me my food, where's my food, give me my food. Meanwhile, your food is already served on the dining table. You see, that is one of the problems that we face in real life here. God has already provided answer, but you still go there and be shouting instead of you to be thanking God and wait for the manifestation, because it is written, the vision is for an appointed time, even though it tarries. Wait for it. Yes, that is the word of God, and it is true. Destiny can be paused, can be delayed, but it can never be stopped. What God has destined for you, you will get it. Those millions, those thousands, those billions that God has written for you, you will get them. Have faith. Then follow some of this simple thing, and you will see the manifestation of God's power in your life. Till I come your way again in my next video, have a wonderful day. Bye. Love you all.